Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS margins, and right now we'll be discussing about how to control the CSS margin top, right, bottom and the left margin together using our CSS margin shorthand property. Back to our document, and I'm going to show you how the tricks works quickly. Reload your document first. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the margin right. Now let's use our margin property. Let's clear all this. Now save your document, reload. Can you see we are having this in our previous tutorial? We have been following me along. If you are using this same document, you will know how I got here. So now let's control this red border, this element that is inside, all these elements inside this red border. Let's control it at once using our margin. We want to control it. We want to control the margin. Now we are going to use our margin shorthand property. We want to use the margin shorthand property. Let's specify the top. The top, we want the top to be at 40 pixels. So we want the right to be at 3. Let's give the right to be at 200 pixels. We want the bottom to be at 500 pixels. We want the bottom we want to give the bottom a big space, big gap, and also we want to give the left. The left should be at let's give the left 300 pixels also. So let's see what will happen to our document now. Can you see when I reload my document? The left right here is now having 300 pixels. The right here is having what? Is having 200 pixels. The bottom is having 500 pixels. Can you see how big the 500 pixels is? This bottom is having 500 pixels, and the top is having 40 pixels. The 40 pixels from the top. Now let's decrease the 40 pixels so you can see that I got it. Let's give it let's just give it 0 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. 0 pixels. You'll be able to see the main gap you are controlling. Can you see? I gave it 0 pixels, so it's stuck, like it stick to the other element. Can you see? It stick to the other element because we gave it 0 pixels. When we give it 12 pixels, I'm going to see how it will look now. Let's reload. Can you see? I gave it 12 pixels. Now I want to control the right side right here. Let me control the right border. To control the right, we are going to use this last property right here. I'm going to give it let me give it 24 pixels. 24 pixels. Sorry, this is the left. Sorry, the right is right here. Let's give it 24 pixels. Yes, this is the right. So the second value you are seeing right here is the right. So because it's come from, let me show you how it works. It's come from top, right, bottom and the left. Once again, top, right, bottom and the left. So let's control it once again so you can be able to understand what I'm talking about. Let's give the top 50 pixels. Let's save our document. Can you see? It jumped from the top. Can you see? Let's give the right another value. Let's give it 300 pixels, or let's give it 400 pixels. 400 pixels. Reload your document. Can you see the right? Now the bottom, let's give the bottom, let's just give it 50 pixels so you can be able to see it clearly. Can you see the bottom? Now let me increase the bottom a bit. Let's give it 300 pixels. Can you see? Now let's control the left side. Now remain the left. So the left is like this. Let's control the left. Let's give it 50 pixels so you can see it clearly. That is the one I'm controlling. Can you see? Now let's give it 400 pixels so you can see how advanced this is working. Now can you see? I control the left, the right, the bottom and the top easily without any problem, as you can see. And we can use this in our other element also. If you want, you can turn all your fixed element to this. Let's reload. Can you see all our fixed element is having this kind of margin and all this margin. And also we can use this in another element also, like body element, so you can see how all these things is working. Can you see how it works? Can you see how it works in our element? And also the funnest part is that this image right here is stuck there because it's our sticky background image. You can check our CSS background playlist to be able to understand how we specify this background image right here. I can comment it out so you can see how our document looks. Can you see we don't have the image again, but when we bring it back, when I uncomment it, reload, can you see it's back? So our document is working nicely now. I hope you guys got the point now. You can control the top, right, bottom using this shorthand property from the CSS margin. So Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. To the next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace.